Are you planning to work with a panel builder? Whether it's your first time or you've done it before, there are critical things you need to know to ensure your project runs smoothly. In this video, we'll walk through the 7 must-know considerations for working with a panel builder. Stick around to the end because I'll share a bonus tip that can save you both time and money. First up, UL certification. Many projects require products to meet specific UL standards to ensure electrical safety requirements are met. Plus, this is needed to comply with National Electric Code and pass inspections. This allows for the safe use for personnel and complies with regulations. Missing this detail can lead to costly delays, project rejections, or even safety hazards. So ask yourself up front, does this project need UL certification? If it does, make sure your panel builder can meet these requirements. Next, let's talk about voltage range. Panel builders often have specific capabilities. For example, if your project requires medium voltage, like 2 kilovolts or higher, you'll need to confirm that your panel builder can handle that. Addressing this early ensures compatibility and saves time. Inquire about their supply chain to acquire needed parts and assess if the facility meets your demands. Number 3 is size constraints. Manufacturers often focus on functionality and forget about how the physical footprint of the design fits in with the rest of your application. But size is critical for fitting the panel into its designated space. Define your size requirements before meeting with your panel builder to avoid redesigns. Number 4, mounting options. How will the panel be mounted? Options include pad-mounted, wall-mounted, skid-mounted, or freestanding setups. Each method impacts the designs and materials used. Discuss this with your panel builder to ensure the panel fits seamlessly into its intended environment. Let's move on to timeline and procurement strategies. Communicate your project deadlines up front to set clear expectations. This allows the panel builder to plan efficiently and secure the necessary materials, helping you meet your deadlines. Also, consider your procurement strategy. Decide whether you'll provide the specific parts or let the panel builder handle sourcing. This clarity avoids confusion and ensures the project moves forward without delays. Number 6, environmental factors. Next, you need to consider where the panel will be located. Is it outdoors, near the ocean, or in a controlled indoor environment? These factors will influence the material selection to ensure durability and reliability. This is denoted by the material NEMA rating, which is specified by the manufacturer. And finally, system integration. How will this panel interface with the rest of your system? Will wires enter from the top, bottom, or side? Clear integration plans prevent issues during installation and streamline the entire process. And here's the bonus tip you've been waiting for. Communication is everything. Misaligned expectations are the #1 reason for project delays. Be proactive, ask detailed questions, and ensure your panel builder has all the information they need to succeed. Let's recap the 7 things you need to consider when working with a panel builder. Number 1, UL certification. Does your project need to meet UL standards to comply with regulations? Number 2, voltage range. Identify the voltage range to ensure compatibility with your panel builder. Number 3, size constraints. Define the physical dimensions of the panel to avoid redesigns. Number 4, mounting options. Decide how the panel will be installed, pad, wall, skid-mounted, or freestanding. Number 5, timelines and procurement strategy. Share deadlines and clarify who is sourcing the parts, you or the panel builder. Number 6, environment. Consider where the panel is being used, what environmental hazards need to be designed around, and ultimately what NEMA ratings you require. And number 7, system integration. Plan how the panel interfaces with all other systems, including wire entry points. And finally, don't forget the bonus tip. Strong communication is the key to a successful collaboration. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights like this. Have any questions? Drop any you may have down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Good luck with your next project.